If you've encountered the dreaded 503 HTTP error, you're likely feeling frustrated and unsure where to start. This error can appear when accessing a website or a web-based service, indicating that the server is temporarily unavailable. Don't worry, while it can be inconvenient, I'm here to help you understand the issue and provide steps to resolve it. The 503 HTTP error typically means the server is overwhelmed or undergoing maintenance. It's not a permanent issue, and in many cases, it resolves itself after a short period. However, if you're repeatedly encountering this error, there are a few things you can do on your end to address it. Start by refreshing the page. While it may seem overly simple, the 503 HTTP error can sometimes be a momentary glitch. Pressing the refresh button or using the shortcut F5 on Windows or Command+R on Mac might just solve the problem. If the issue persists, check the website's status using a service like Down Detector. This can confirm if the error is widespread or specific to your connection. If the website is up but you're still seeing the 503 HTTP error, the issue could be with your internet connection. Restart your router or modem and ensure your connection is stable. While waiting for the router to reboot, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help remove any outdated data that might be causing the error to appear. In some cases, this error occurs due to an overloaded server. If you're trying to access a popular website during peak times, you might need to wait a few minutes before trying again. Additionally, check if the site has provided any updates about maintenance or technical difficulties on their social media platforms. If you're a website administrator encountering the 503 HTTP error on your own site, the solution might involve a bit more technical work. Start by checking your server logs for any indications of resource overloading or misconfigurations. Sometimes a misbehaving script or plugin can cause server strain, so disabling non-essential features and performing updates may help. Also confirm with your hosting provider that your server isn't undergoing maintenance or experiencing downtime. To prevent future occurrences, consider upgrading your hosting plan if traffic spikes are frequent. Investing in a content delivery network, CDN, can also reduce server strain, especially for websites with global visitors. While the 503 HTTP error can be annoying, it's generally a temporary problem that can be fixed with some patience and troubleshooting. Whether you're a user or a site owner, following these steps can help resolve the issue quickly. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional for further assistance.